Right here on the screen are different trading contests or competitions that you can join to win prizes on this platform, and the name of this platform is called Solus Finance. And in this video, I will also be announcing my trading contest which I will be organizing on Solus Finance, and I'll be giving out prizes to the top traders of this contest or this competition, whichever one you want to call it. Now, if you remember, a while back I made a video about this particular platform called Solus Finance. It is a trading platform where you can actually compete against other traders out there in real time on a live leaderboard for prizes. And if you also remember, at the end of that video, I told you guys that I was going to organize my own contest on this platform, and today I'm going to show you the full platform. I will show you how it works. I'll show you how these different contests are structured on the platform, and then by the end of this video, I'm going to create my own contest right here on camera so you can see everything, including the prizes. So that being said, let's go straight to the point. Now, the first thing I want you to do right now is to click on the first link in the description of this video, or the link in the pinned comment of this video, to create an account for yourself on Solus Finance. So go ahead and do that right now. Now, once you create your account and you log into your Solus Finance account, this is what you'll be seeing on the screen. This is how the home page looks like. So you can see it right there on the screen. Now, if you come here under hot contests, these are like contests that are currently trending on the Solus Finance platform that you can join right there. And then if you come under my contest, this is where you can see all the contests that you've joined on the platform. And then if you come here under private contests, these are private contests that maybe you created or someone else created and you joined. So these are the different categories you can find on the home page. Now, let me just give you an example before I go ahead and create my contest so that you can see how exactly it works. Now, if you come here on this page, like I said, this is where you see different contests that you can join on the platform. Now, if you look at the first contest showing on the screen, you can see that the name of this contest is called Turbo R, and you can see right here the entry fee for this is $2.5. And by the way, if you create your account using my link in the description below, you get a bonus of $5 once you complete some tasks on this platform, and you can use this $5 to join different contests on the platform. So like I was saying, the entry fee for this is $2.5, and you can see your bonus covered $2.5. So this means that you can use out of your $5 bonus to pay for this, which is just $2.5, and then you enter this contest right here. And you can see right here, it says top 7 earners. What does this mean? This means that the top 7 traders from this contest will be getting prizes at the end of this contest. And you can see right here, the reward you are getting altogether is about $250 right there. And remember, the entry fee is just $2.5. And if you keep scrolling up, you'll be seeing the different contests you have right here on the screen. If you come here again, this is another one right here that says Big Battle. This is a contest that is coming up. This one will be starting in the next 2 hours and 15 minutes. That's when this one will be starting. So this one has not started, but you can see right here, to join this one, the contest fee is $5. So that means that to enter this contest, it is $5 entry fee. And then the number of people that will be getting prizes are the top 30 earners. So that means that the top 30 traders from this contest will be getting prizes by the end of this contest. And then you can see participants are 50 out of 100. That means that 50 people have already joined this contest right there. So now that you know everything about this platform, let me go ahead and create my contest. So if you want to create your own contest, maybe for you and your friends, or maybe you want to actually create your contest for your fellow traders where you guys want to compete for prizes, here is how to do it. Now, you come here to where you have private contest at the top, just click on that. And then you can come here to where you have create private contest, just click on it. And then right here on the screen, you can see the name of the contest. I've named it Crypto Trading Contest by Femi. And then the description of the contest is Trade and Win with Femi. And then the maximum participant is 100. So you are taking maximum of 100 people for this contest. So please, if you want to join this contest and win prizes, go ahead and join immediately you see this video. The link will be in the description below. And the next thing right here is the contest fee, which is $5. So you just need $5 to join this contest right here. So please go ahead and deposit money into your account so that you can be able to join this contest. And you can also use out of your bonus fee to join the contest. And I'm sure almost everyone watching this video can afford $5 to join this contest. Don't forget, I'll still be showing you the prizes you'll be getting. And please, I'm not taking anything out of this money you're using to join this contest. I'm not taking anything at all. And then the next thing right here is the organizer fee, which is 0%. So you can see it is 0%. I'm not taking any percentage from the contest fee. I'm not taking anything at all from it. And also the platform is also not taking anything from this contest fee. So with that being said, let's go to the next thing. I'll just come here and click on continue. And then you can see right here, market resolution time. Let me click on this drop down arrow. So you can see we have 15, 60, 240 and 1440 right there. Now what does that mean? Now this means that this is the duration that your trade can actually last for. So I'm picking everything. Let me actually pick everything. So I'm picking everything so that you can have different options. So what this means is that when you join this contest and then maybe you are longing maybe ETH for example, that means you have the option to pick any of these resolution time right here. So for example, if you take a trade and you pick 15 minutes, that means your trade will last for 15 minutes. So that means after 15 minutes, that trade will end and you enter either profit or loss, and then you can take another trade again. That's just the meaning. So you can take 15 minutes, 60 minutes, 240 minutes, or 1440 minutes right there. So whichever one you prefer, you can go ahead and do that. So I'm picking everything so that everyone who is joining this contest can have options. So that's for the resolution time. And then for the assets, so the number of assets you can be able to trade from this competition. These are the different options provided by Solus Finance. So I want everybody to actually be able to trade all assets that they want. So I'll just come here and click on select all. So that means that you have access to trade any asset you can find on Solus Finance. So I'll just click on all because I know we have some forex traders right here and we have some crypto traders right here. So you have a mixture of crypto and forex assets that you can trade. So that's for the assets. So let me go to the next thing. Now for the next thing, you have the start date. Now for this, let me select the date. So I want this contest to start on the 25th of July. So this is 25th of July right here. For the time, let's say 10 a.m. So I have 10 a.m. right here. Just click on that. And then for the end date right here, that is the date this contest will end. So let's say I want to leave it for 2 weeks. So let me just leave it for 2 weeks and let's see how it's going to do. So for 2 weeks, that means that it will end on the 8th of August. So that's for 2 weeks. So I'll just click on 8th of August right there. And then for the end time, let's leave it at 6 p.m. So 6 p.m. on the 8th of August, which is simple. And then for logo, you can pick any logo of your choice right here, just any logo you want for this contest. So once this is done, you go to the next page and click on continue. And then on this page, you can see it says real money warning. You will auto join this contest. Now that's for me who is creating this contest. So they are telling me that I'm going to automatically join this contest because I'm creating it. So this is for you if you are creating it. But if you are just joining this contest, you don't need to bother yourself about this page. So I'll just click on confirm and create. And then right here on the screen, this is where I can put the ranks and the percentage. That is the prizes for each rank from the leaderboard for this contest. So right here on the screen, you have the default prizes. So you can see for the first position, that's 50% of the total prize. But I don't want that. So I want the first position to get 40% of the total prize. So just put 40% right there. Now the next line, you have start rank of second and end rank of third. Now what this means is that you want the second and third position to share 40% of the total price, but I don't want that. I want only the second person to get 30% of the total price. And then you come here to the next one. So for the next one, I want the third person or the person that will come third to take 20% of the total price. And then if you add everything together, that's 40, 30, 20, that's 90%. So you still have 10% because everything must be 100%. So I'll come here to the next one. So this start rank, I'll put from 4th position to the 100th position, that is to the last person. They are going to share the remaining 10% right there. So that means that from 4th to 100, we're sharing the total 10%. I hope you get it. So with this arrangement, what this means is that everyone who is joining this contest is going away with something. You're not going away with zero. You're going away with something. And by the way, how you know the total price is the $5 joining fee multiplied by the total number of people in the contest. So that means that the more people join the contest, the higher the prize or the reward will be for you. So please, once you join this contest, go ahead and share the link with your friends or with anyone you know that can trade or anyone who will be interested in joining this contest to get your prizes for themselves so that we can be up to 100. Thank you. So with that being said, you come here and click on I acknowledge and proceed. So I'll click on that. And then right here on the screen, it says success. So I'll just come and click on close at the bottom. So this is the contest link right here. So I'll just copy it and put it in the description below, or you'll see it in the pinned comment of this video. So go ahead and click on the link to join this contest. Now, I know some of you might be saying maybe you don't know how to trade on this platform. Don't forget, like I said earlier, I already explained how to trade on this platform in my previous video. So please, if you need that video, you can feel free to ask me in the comment section below. I'll reply to your comment with a link to that video. Please go ahead and watch it so you can learn how to take your trades on this platform. It is simple. Just come here to where you have terminal. This is where you have terminal. This is where you can long and you can short. So if you're already a trader, I'm sure that you should get used to this. Now, don't forget that I said this will be lasting for the next 2 weeks, but after the first week, I'll be coming back to make a video and show you guys the leaderboard so you can see the guys that are currently winning or the guys that are currently in the top 3. So please, if you want to be a part of this contest, go ahead and join the contest right away. Join right now. The link will be in the description below. And also at the end of 2 weeks, I'll also come back here to announce the winners and also the prizes as shown in this video. And please, if you are joining this contest, go ahead and drop a comment below saying I am joining the contest. Just type it in the comment section below. I am joining the contest. Thank you. And don't forget to also like this video if you found this video useful. Don't forget to also subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed to the channel. And I will see you on the leaderboard in the contest. Bye.